Ever wondered how to make the most out of your vertical space in your garden? Vertical gardens can transform your garden walls into a lush paradise, especially when adorned with flowering vines. Today, we're diving into the top 7 flowering vines perfect for vertical gardens. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 7 flowering vines for your vertical garden. First on our list is the clematis. This flowering vine is a showstopper with its large, vibrant blooms. Perfect for vertical gardens, clematis thrives in full sun or partial shade. Just remember to provide rich, well-drained soil. Known for their stunning blooms, clematis is a great first choice. Next up is the vibrant morning glory. Known for their fast growth and stunning trumpet-shaped flowers, these vines thrive in full sun. They're perfect for vertical gardens, requiring minimal upkeep. Just water regularly and watch them climb. With their cheerful colors, morning glory vines can brighten up any vertical garden. Coming in third, we have the trumpet vine. This vibrant climber offers large, trumpet-shaped flowers and is a hummingbird magnet. It thrives in sunny spots, and with minimal care, it can cover your vertical garden in a tropical blaze. For a touch of the tropics, consider adding trumpet vines. Number 4 on our list is the enchanting wisteria. This flowering vine is renowned for its stunning cascades of fragrant purple blooms. Ideal for vertical gardens, wisteria requires full sun and moderate watering. Wisteria vines can transform your vertical garden into a magical space. Fifth on our list is the fragrant honeysuckle. This vine is a striking addition to vertical gardens with its vibrant flowers and sweet scent. It's easy to care for, requiring just sun and moisture. For a garden that smells as good as it looks, consider honeysuckle. At number 6, we have the exotic passion flower. This vigorous vine flourishes in vertical gardens, showcasing its intricate, vibrant blooms. With moderate watering and full sun exposure, it thrives. Passion flowers add a unique and exotic touch to your vertical garden. Last but not least, climbing roses. These charming blooms add elegance to any vertical garden with their vibrant colors and lovely scent. They're resilient, versatile, and relatively easy to care for. For a classic and romantic garden, you can never go wrong with climbing roses. So there you have it, the top 7 flowering vines for your vertical garden. With their unique features and stunning blooms, they can truly transform your space. Remember, a vertical garden isn't just beautiful, it's beneficial too. Enjoyed the video? Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!